First tap on the screen, so you are going to buy tickets. So it shows where you want to go. So I'm going to Manchester Piccadilly, so I select Manchester Piccadilly. Then if you are not coming back, you can choose single. If you are coming back, you can select return tickets. I'm going with my family, so I selected 2 elders and 2 kids. If you are going alone, you can select only one. Then it shows like this. If you are going in peak time and coming back on peak time, so you can select peak time tickets instead of off peak tickets. So off peak is quite cheaper than peak time, so I selected off peak time ticket. It is cheaper because if you're coming back, we have to select return tickets. So when you are, then you can see this on your screen, booking summary. So you have to proceed it. Then you can go to payment option. This is the final page. When you proceed, you can go to the last page of payment. In front of every station you can see like these machines, so you don't want to go to the counter, you can do it alone. If you I selected card method. Thank